Shout out to all my packet chasers. Packet chasers in the building. I appreciate all you for coming through today and checking out this video. If you don't know, this is your sign to get your CCNA. Today we're going to be working on, this is Packet Flow Authority Week. Today we're going to be working on VLAN scenarios. Let's move on to steps to create and assign a VLAN. We're getting ready to go over those right now, family. So the first thing we're going to do is number one is create the VLAN. Create the VLAN. So you're going to go into configuration mode, global config mode. That's what they call that, where the config is there with the pound sign. You're going to create VLAN 10, right? And then give it a name. Give it a name, right? So right now you're going to be inside of VLAN 10. The prompt is going to change to config VLAN, right? And then you're going to give it a name. Sales. And then you're going to exit out of the config. You're just going to type exit at the pound sign. Right? At the VLAN configuration pound sign. You're going to type exit. So that is step one to create a VLAN, family. All right, the next thing we're going to do, steps to create a VLAN. The next thing we're going to do is number 2, we're going to assign a port. Right? So at the config prompt, we're going to type int FE0/1. Boom. That's going to take us into interface configuration mode. The prompt is going to change CONFIG-IF. That's going to let you know you're in interface configuration mode, right? So the next thing you're going to type is switch port mode access. Switch port mode access. I just shortened the commands down how I would type it if I was on the keys right now, just to keep this nice and simple. Next, at the interface configuration prompt, we're going to type switch port access VLAN 10. Switch port access VLAN 10 to put that particular port that we've made an access port into VLAN 10 so that the devices connected to it can communicate each other on a logical subnet. Next thing we're going to do, and the last thing we're going to do, number 3, the third thing we're going to do is verify the config. We're going to verify the config. And the way we're going to do that is at the pound sign, right? We're going to type show VLAN brief. Show VLAN brief. I appreciate each and every one of you for coming through today and checking out the content. I'll say this like I always say, you must study each and every day to get your CCNA. Shout out to all my packet chasers. Packet chasers in the building!